Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. We've got another unboxing of something we're going to be looking at later on this week on the main channel, which you can find at lon.tv. This is the GPD XD Plus, which is the sequel to one of my favorite little devices called the GPD XD. And what it is a little Android gaming handheld that I found to be a great little device for emulating retro video games and playing a bunch of Android games as well. These things are really a lot of fun. So let's take a look and see what we get inside the box here. I think this is a pre-release version that was sent to the channel free of charge by GPD. So we'll be covering this again in more detail in a couple of days. You got a USB charging cable there, along with a USB charger. And then the main event here is the device itself. Let's take it out of the box here, or the bag. And it feels, in the hand, identical to the GPD XD. There really doesn't seem to be any physical differences here between this one and that one. Everything is in the same place. So you've got that HDMI output, so you can hook it up to a television. You've got the USB charging adapter here. Your SD card goes in there. You've got a headphone jack on that side there. It's a touch screen. This one is still 720p like the old one, so there isn't a lot changed there. And I will work through any changes that I encounter in the main review that you'll find at lon.tv when we get this thing up. So I'm really eager to try this out. The one thing that I have not liked about these, and this also includes the GPD Win, which is their portable Windows device, is that the sticks here don't click. You don't get a clickable stick, which might make it a little more difficult to stream games to the device with Moonlight or something, just because a lot of PC games like to have clickable sticks. But that's really my only gripe on these ones. They've been working pretty well. I did not choose the background graphics there, so I will go about getting this thing set up, get some apps installed. We're going to run a whole bunch of benchmarks on this thing as well and look at some input lag and all that good stuff. This is a little faster than the old one, so that's the big difference here, is a faster processor. So it should be able to do some things the other one couldn't. And I'm going to be looking at the Dolphin emulator and some other stuff on here too. So stay tuned. There is a full review coming up on this very shortly on the main channel at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast: Chris Allegretta, Gerard Newberg, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.